Meanwhile, emotions ran high at St. John's Primary in St. Catherine today as students, parents and staff tried coming to terms with the death of 9-year-old Kelsey Farragon. As Jamaica Maitland reports, the police are urging parents and guardians to be more vigilant of adults in their children's environment.
A devotion marred by death.
We pray, God, that you'll cover this institution. We pray, God, for all the teachers. We pray, God, for all the students.
A Child's Month poster is stapled on the blackboard outside the classroom of 9-year-old Kelsey Farragon stands as a stark reminder of the violence meted out to children. On the inside, we could hear the cries of her classmates who could not understand why her seat was empty and her desk filled with candles and flowers.
Teachers and staff at the St. John's Primary School in St. Catherine, police officers, representatives from the Education Ministry's Guidance and Counseling Unit tried comforting students of former classmate Kelsey Farragon. On her desk, shaky handwritten notes from her peers. Fighting back the tears is her teacher Candice Coburn.
She's soft-spoken, she's kind, she's loving. She came to me a day or 2 days before Teacher's Day and she told me she was making a card for me and she said what she should write.
A vendor who helped Kelsey with sweets for her teacher's gift was in disbelief.
Even the vendor stopped me this morning and brought me down. She ran and she said, "Miss, are you Kelsey buy the sweetie for?" And I said, "Yeah." And she said she came to me and she said, "Me I buy one sweetie because Miss love sweetie and me will give it to her." And she came and she gave it to me.
Kelsey was described as a teacher's pet by Miss Coburn. She was a top achiever and a leader amongst her peers. Head of the St. Catherine North Police Division, Senior Superintendent Hopton Nicholson, while addressing the students, encouraged them to report instances where they feel uncomfortable to a trusted adult.
It takes a village to raise a child, but in this day and age, there are some villagers who should not be around our children because really and truly they have no good intention.
The issue, however, is that some of those trusted adults abuse their power. It's why he's urging parents and guardians to be more vigilant in regards to their children's environment.
If you know that a child is being abused, if you suspect that a child is being abused, if you suspect that a child has been abused, report it to the police or the relevant agencies.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.
Still